Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another flipping video from Farah FS. So guys, you can see SAUSD is in a very strong support, so we are looking for a buy right around that corner. So if you look closely in the 30 minutes time frame, I drew a trend line there which I'm expecting price might reject back after hitting for a third touch. So guys, I'm expecting this buy to come in place, but there is a confluence. I'm going to look on the 5 minutes time frame. As you can see, there's a rejection candlestick right there, and you can see price is trying to go back up. So we'll be flipping $398, and the appropriate lot size will be $1 lot size. So we are active on the buy right now, trying my best to make this very brief and accurate. So guys, when we are taking confluence from the higher time frame, you know that our stop loss will be very small and our take profit will be very big. So today's trade, I'll be using 1:2 as my risk to reward ratio. So guys, I'll be leaving this trade for a few minutes, and when we come back, we'll see the result. So guys, if you are watching this video, kindly tap the notification button to get more content and flipping videos like this on my YouTube channel. Also comment. We have available Shiner on Telegram where we support our subscribers with free signals, and we also have a VIP group also for those that want to learn. While we are in profits all the way up, as you can see, price break the trend line I placed there as a safe key, but we still made enough money, flipped $100 to 900 in 2 days. That's massive. Made 600 in this trade. So guys, if you are still watching, subscribe and also comment, and don't forget to tap the notification button. Thanks for watching.